yesterday about personality development. We were discussing that thinking. So, thoughts or thinking. Thoughts are the things. No, it is a dictum. Thoughts are things. For example, you see it's a thought of a person. A piece of chalk, it's a thing now, but it was once thought. A person thought like this. The board is a person's thought. The Bluetooth, the short, whatnot, whatever you see things around us are really thoughts. That means they thought like so. Thinking is very, very precious. So yesterday we were talking about personality development. There we were talking thinking. So I already told you think big. Think we should not underestimate ourselves. We were all given enough strength by birth. You know, popularly there was a poem. God made them all. God made all people with equivalent acuity. Of course, we were all given enough acuity. For example, unless we think big, if you educate yourself that you are weak, for your kind information, nobody can help you. So our class 10th textbook, you see, this is what we call base sheet. This is what we call base sheet. If you have the textbook open, if not, no problem, just have a look at it. Personality development is printed. Under it, you can see three pictures. Three pictures are given. So all these three pictures detailed in a way tell you about what is success and how to overcome the failure. So failures are very prevalent. That means very common. Of course, we all strive to get only success. We dream only about success. It is a good thing, obviously, but whenever you try to achieve something, we may come across lot of it. We could not stand like this very time of our birth. First, we did something than this. Later, we crawled. Later, we had taken some support to stand. After that, we were staggered. We couldn't walk steadily. We all walked like a drunkard. All these activities made us stand straight and do our work. Similarly, whatever the topic you take to achieve, whatever the project you take to get success, whatever the task you take you to in challenge, definitely there are some problems or there are some difficulties. You have to overcome them. You all class 9 students might have read about Birdstone, blind man, the word jump. What have you understood on reading such fantastic lesson? A blind man who had overcome his physical disability and he jumped over a pole vault. Was it pole vault? We were all given eyes. Can we do this? According to your ninth class lesson, games and sports theme, in that particular A reading lesson, you can realize the connectivity of our 10th class first lesson. That is the spirit. There his father told him 3D formula: determination, dedication, and the next is direction towards discipline. Discipline, determination, and the other D is dedication. So his father was his coach. He educated his son like this. So people may support you, they may guide you, but who had jumped over? The boy, not the father, not the coach and me. So the topic which we are discussing, personality development, you see, this is our face sheet. Let's have a look at the picture of Sudha Chandran. Most of you can see appropriately. If you have the book or not, it doesn't matter. You can see, obviously you can say, what is she? She is a classical dancer. Obviously everybody can say that she is a classical dancer because of her posture, her attire, her dress code, everything. So you can see very carefully. Observe each and every corner of her body parts too. If you observe, you may come across a kind of doubt about her food. I think here. Which foot is this? Right or left? Right or left? Which foot? Left. So if you watch entire, her body color is different than this. Of course, somebody might have known about this woman, somebody may not. Of course, she is very popular tele-serials actor. She acts in tele-series, either in Tamil or in Hindi also. You can see her in many serials. Basically, she was a classical dancer. If you observe the foot here, okay, something is different. The color is different. That is a notification I wanted to tell. This is what we call reading and responding activity of our academics. Just look at the picture and get the information. The food color itself is, different. That indicates she has, an artificial leg. Her leg was amputated when she ran into an accident, car accident. Due to car accident, she lost her leg. Of course, an artificial leg has been made for her. Of course, that was her tragic story. But what makes you wonder, you understand? She stood like this Okay, she stood like this in this particular posture with an artificial leg. Simply watching the picture, you can understand how hard to bend at this knee part. We can bend because we have normal skin and we have normal body structure. But it is an artificial leg, it is attached to her thigh. So this small picture tells you her attitude. You can understand her attitude. What kind of attitude does the woman have? Positive mental attitude. She doesn't give up her dancing skill. She doesn't give up. She wanted to continue her dance career as a film star or at least a dance performer. She does not give up. Though she lost her leg during an because of an accident, she continued her career. So that is what we called inspiration. That is an inspiration. Just you look at the next man, the person very familiar for you, great scientist of our age, Stephen Hawking. Most of you might have come across his biography in your earlier classes. What is his position? He can't sit like you, he can't see like you, he can't walk like you, he can't at least eat like you, he can't change his even dress. But he had shown some mysterious ways to the science. He did something to the world. He had his own signature on this universe with the scientific research. He worked on black holes. Although he could not walk, although he could not stand, most of all his body parts were numb. This picture is an inspiration. Fortunately, we were all given good eyesight, a particular body with full of strength. We can walk, we can sit, we can change our dress, we can talk. We do everything than Stephen Hawking. Although the man who doesn't have all these facilities, his only brain worked, so he did such a one. And about the woman, Helen Keller. Popularly, everybody knows about her. Helen Keller is deaf and blind. She's blind. She had been suffering from a scarlet fever. She had lost her eyes. Of course, later she got education and had become one of the academicians of United States. So the picture 1, 2, 3. I mean 1, 2, 3. These three pictures teach you, give you an information. At very end of this, you are asked simply two questions. What qualities have made these persons great? As a student of class 10th, you need to answer this question. What qualities have made these persons great? How would you know? How would you give us a reply? You were given only a chance to understand only the pictures. So that's why I have told you, you should be on keen observation towards the pictures in order to give us a reply. You know, that is what we call face sheet of learning. The face sheet gives you the information which you are going to read about a particular content of. Motivation always boosts your inner spirits. Those pictures, Sudha Chandra, Stephen Hawking, and Helen Keller. All these three people are popularly known as great people. So the question is asked in your textbook, what qualities have made these persons great? Do they have any quality? Do they have any quality? They have a quality that they believed themselves. You to adopt that quality. They believed that they can. They believed that they do whatever they want. That means the best and one of the major qualities of their life is self-confidence. Before that, how had they thought? They might have thought, they thought big, they think in big, they did not underestimate themselves. Their ambitions were very high. They all told themselves, I can. Sudha Chandra might have told herself, why should I give up my dancing career? Of course, I lost one of the legs. It is possible to have an artificial leg to continue my career. For your kind information, whenever Mayuri cinema telecasts, either on ETV or somewhere, you can watch her film, Mayuri, Telugu film. See, Usha Kiran movies had produced a film on her life story. Mayuri, she was the actress there. There you can see her dancing, everything, etc. So, Sudha Chandran has been continuing as a dance performer and a versatile actor in teleseries. She didn't stop. Though she had an amputated leg. As we all know, there are so many, some hundreds of examples you can see. Okay, you may ask me, is this important to us? We are very young children. Why should we learn hectic and hot version of personality development, etc.? I say you are sprouting. You are growing. It's a time for you to design your mind to encounter the challenges in the future. Whenever you feed yourself a positive strength to your little mind with appropriate courtesy, automatically you will be successful. So you have to frame your mind by listening to these kind of lectures. Failure is a calm. We'll discuss everything in the first unit. Personality development theme. The three readings of the particular unit can enlighten you and transform your spirits into positiveness, full of fun. So, the topic takes you. It's not a course to learn, it's a theme. Think big. We all know APJ Abdul Kalam. When he was a boy, when he was studying class 5th, naturally a boy who is 10 years old studies class 5. When he was in 5th class, his great master Sivasubramania Iyer thought the ordinary teaching like board and class could not help the students to understand. So practically he wanted to teach his students. So Sivasubramania Iyer had taken all his students to Rameswaram beach. There he had explained how does a flight move? By what? By showing a bird. So there he narrated how the bird opens its wings, how it adjusts its claws inside, and how it directs its beak towards a particular direction, how it moves up, etc. So that wonderful narration, obvious practical approach towards something made the boy wanted to fly. There are popular missile man of India wanted to fly. He felt it. He too wanted to fly in the air like a bird. You believe it or not, that made the ordinary boy to become a successful. So what have you noticed? It is what we call motivation, inspiration, not at least the information. He took that information. Oh, what a wonderful thing it is. We all know, we all enjoy walking on floor. How wonderful it is. What a life does a bird have? It has wings, it has claws, it has a small leg. It goes wherever it likes, etc. Dr. Kalam wanted to. Right. Later, he was directed by many professors. He had a longing desire to become a pilot. Of course, he did his course in MIT, Madras Institute of Technology. He couldn't get success during an interview about becoming a pilot. Later, he was so depressed. At a time, his Swamiji from Swananda Ashram told him that he couldn't be depressed. He has a new way to lead life. So, such an intelligent man can understand the situation and went on doing his works. An ordinary man who wanted to become a pilot had designed missiles for our nation. So, maybe a biography of a person, but the biography has many facts. Our experiences are also included here. Either you young or old doesn't matter. First of all, you should cultivate your mind that it's full of positive energy. Believe that I can. Think, think, dream high. You are given a quotation in your 9th class text. Dream high. Why should we dream high? Please don't underestimate yourself. What's wrong? Think big. Think big. Some people would answer, we generally ask students during their class, what do you want to become in future? Somebody says that, sir, I wanted to become an engineer. Somebody says, I wanted to become a collector. Somebody says, I wanted to become a doctor. Somebody says, I wanted to become a director. Somebody says, I wanted to become a music director. Okay, very good. You must have a goal to become. Are you dreaming about it or not? If you have really a dream to become a doctor, you will be. So that's a difference. Their mere wanting is different than making a dream. Right? Your dreams will come when you think high. So that is why the first unit's title is Attitude is Altitude. This is altitude. Think high. That is not exaggeration. Think high. Have a big goal. Whether it happens or not, it doesn't matter. Have a big goal. Do the best. Believe in yourself. So, dear students, this is a general brief information regarding your first lesson, personality development. Firstly, we'll discuss the A reading in our further classes. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice time.